Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here today to share a little project that I'm going to start. I've been watching Kathy Feigl over at her YouTube channel, and she with a group of other ladies are doing something called the Collective. They've taken products that they've had from a specific collection, whether it be Maggie Holmes or Felicity Jane or wherever, and they're using it to create a kit that they plan to use all year until they basically use that kit up. And so I thought I would play along. They're going to do it on the third Wednesday of each month. I don't know how that's going to work for me. If I'll be able to post every single Thursday or every single Wednesday that they post, but I'm going to give it my best shot. So what I think I'm going to do is I ordered one of these IKEA boxes, and so I'm going to use it to store my collection in. So my goal is to use up a couple of these paper pads that I have collected. The two that I have here are Heart and Home by Jen Hadfield, and this is a collection for Pebbles. And then this one is Auburn Lane, and it's a collection for Pink Paisley. Each of these has 48 sheets in them, and I was going to divide these up with my sister, but then I thought, oh, I love these collections so much, and these just suit my taste so well that I think I'm going to try and use the entire collection, all 48 pieces on my own of each paper pack. Now, how that's going to work, I don't know yet, but you can see these are lovely papers, and I fell in love with this collection when I started seeing other people post on both of these that they picked them up at Tuesday morning, and I did too. I paid $6.99 for each paper pad, and I have since picked up multiple embellishments from each line, and you can see they almost feel like they could go together. I think the feels are very close. The colors are very close. And so I think that I'm going to be able to intermix these as I see fit, and I think they'll match okay. So my goal is to keep this collection together for the entire year of 2020 and get it used up to the best of my ability. Now I'll start probably by pulling out one of each of the 24 designs. There's typically 24 designs with 2 of each, and so I'll typically pull out half of that, and I'll start with those and see how it goes over the course of time. But I have tons and tons of embellishments to pull from, so let me stick those in there. I'm not kidding you. I've been collecting all of this stuff in this big bag. I have chipboard, I have washi tape, I have die cuts, I have sequins, I have metal, you name it, and I think I've collected it. This is actually American Crafts, and this one is called Casey, and it's foam, but because it is gold foil, I'm pulling it into this kit. This is actually Jen Hadfield, and it's from the Homemade. It's Heart of Home. So yeah, I have these chipboard pieces, and I have these from, these are also Jen Hadfield Simple Life chipboard. But you can see, I think the colors in that will probably go. You have a lot of the browns, the pinks, there's some added in yellow, there's some blue, there's some teal in here, and I think you get a pretty good match regardless of which collection you use with. This one has a little bit more of the yellow, and I felt like it has more of that softer feel to it, so I think I could use it really with either one. This one is Along the Way, also Jen Hadfield, but again, I think it would match really well this Auburn Lane, and this set from Heart of Home. So both of those paper pads I think will match these big 12 by 12 sheets. So I will keep those with them. I should probably rip those 2 front covers off just so I don't have to keep pulling them back up and down. I have this set of wood veneer shapes, and these are from Heart of Home, and there are leaves and hearts and other images in there. Looks like butterflies and birds. So tons of those to use. And I'll open all these packages later. These are little dimensional stickers and Heart of Home. There are 6 in the package. They do come up on foam dots. I may peel that because some of them feel like that feels extra bulky, so I may take some of that additional adhesive out. These tags are from Heart of Home. No, Along the Way. And you can see there's 6 of each of those. So there's a ton of tags in there to be played with. This set, did I intend to leave that with there? We'll see. This set of soft spoken embellishments, now these are MMBI, and yeah, MMBI, but the colors felt right with all the browns, the orange, the almost yellowish green. So we'll see. I have these, My Bright Life. And they have card sentiments on here. Congrats, happy birthday, and thinking of you. These wood buttons and pearl or enamel buttons or dots down here. Some tags. These are from Along the Way. These die cuts from, it doesn't say, it just says Ephemera. But it's from one of the collections. So pretty. Tons and tons and tons. Butterflies. Oh, I picked up 2 packs of those because they were so pretty. More chipboard pieces, and these are Along the Way. Lots of really pretty designs in there. This set of ephemera, this is from My Bright Life. Some of the colors in here look pretty bright, but that's okay. We'll figure out a way to work them in. These are from Simple Life. Lots of die cuts in there. So pretty. Anything Jen Hadfield makes, I think I want to buy. Dimensional stickers. These can be used for cards as well. Hello, friend, love, hello. Thinking of you, thanks, and that may say hello under there. These are wood veneer shapes, frames with the inserts there. Super duper cute. This set is from Prima, but it had that soft feel to it. Not all the same colors, but I'll see what I can use with it. Yeah, I'm not going to turn it away. There's a couple, let me keep those extra embellishments that aren't necessarily from these lines separate. That's a duplicate for that one. These are from Auburn Lane, and they're floral die cuts. They have vellum and paper, regular paper die cuts. I have these stickers. There are 6 pages in here from the Simple Life. Another package of flowers. I do that a lot of times when I find embellishments that I like. I'll buy 2 packages of them because I want to have enough to get me through all of it. This set of wood veneers from Simple Life, and it looks like, there we go. We have butterflies or moths, we have flowers, we have sentiments and leaves on there. This set of washi tape from Along the Way, very cute. These larger set of stickers, label stickers from Heart of Home. Those are so pretty. I love that there's 2 sheets in there, and I thought I had 2 sets of these. I do. There's the other one there. So, yeah. Like I said, if I see something and I like it, I buy it. A lot of times twice. So let me put one of those with each of those collections. These are thickers called Macaw, and they look like wood grain. And I think These are different, but they're also a wood grain. I thought I had another set of wood grain. I guess not. So one set is called Detail, one set is called Macaw. This one also has the lighter and the darker letters, all wood grain, but those all have the dark. I have another set of phrase foam stickers. These are Catherine stickers. These stickers are from the Heart of Home. Do I have another set of those? Nope. I have 2 sets of this one from the Auburn Lane. I just love those. This set of Along the Way. And again, some of those brighter colors, but I am okay with that. This set, these are on clear, almost acetate, and they are, whichever collection they are, I'll get some use out of them. I feel like if they're from the same line or close to the same line, I feel like I'll get use out of them. I have 2 sets of this one from Simple Life. There's 1 set in each. This set of puffy stickers from Auburn Lane. This set of dimensional stickers, again, that's the second package of that one. I know the other is right here. Here, yeah. There's the puffy stickers. These have dimensional stickers, but they have some acetate in there as well. This set of Auburn Lane sequins, paper clips, and enamel dots. Those sequins are so pretty. And then there's the copper tone or rose gold colored paper clips. I have a Auburn Lane, no, Heart of Home paper pad, and this is the 6x8. I have the Auburn Lane, one of the stamp sets. And then I think that's it for all the collection pieces that match those. These 2 I've shown you. One is Prima, the other is MMBI. This is also Prima. It has a little bit more of the teal tones to it, but I feel like I can maybe get some use out of it. And it comes with some sequins down here. Super cute. There's 2 sheets of chipboard embellishments in here. And I have these, I purchased these Bow Bunny jewel tones or jewel dots. There's rhinestones as well as flatback pearls that match the browner tones in there. I have these brads with a little bit of yellow and brown and some silver accents and gold with a little bit of glitter there. These are the same package. Then I have green and red. I don't know that the red will necessarily go really well, but I'm going to give it a shot, especially all these silver embellishments I think will match. And then I pulled in this set of My Mind's Eye Lost and Found antique collection, and it's just a mixed bag, and it's blacks and beige and brown and gold. So if I can use it, I will. If I can't, then I won't, obviously. But this is like the basis of my kit. Now I will pull in cardstock if I need it, alphabets if I need it, because these don't have, other than the set of 1 set of chipboard alphas in each, the wood veneer alphabets in the 2 different collections, or the 2 different styles. Those are the only alphabets that I have in here. So I'll probably pull in some smaller alphabets as I go along, just as I need them. But my main idea is to get this used to some extent over the next year and share with you guys the layouts that I create. Anyway, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching my video today. If you have any further questions about what the collective is doing, you can always head over to Kathy Feigl's YouTube channel, and I'll try and remember to leave a link to that, as well as the other ladies who do that hop monthly, so that you can see where the inspiration is coming from. Anyway, I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.